Welcome to Color and Learn. Hey there, friends! Welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to explore the letter X. Can you say X? Great job! Here it is. This is the letter X. It's a special letter because it's often used to mark something important, like a treasure spot on a map. First, let's make our letter X super bright by coloring it yellow. Grab your yellow crayons and let's color the letter X together. Remember to color inside the lines. Let's make it bright and cheerful. Wow, look at that shiny yellow X! It looks so bright and cheerful. Now, did you know that the letter X is also the first letter of a cool instrument, the xylophone? A xylophone is a musical instrument made of wooden bars that you can hit with mallets to make beautiful sounds. Now, let's color our xylophone. It can be any color you like. Let's use different colors for our xylophone. Fantastic! Look at all those beautiful colors on our xylophone. It looks amazing. Let's remember what we learned today. The letter X colored in yellow and our colorful xylophone. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing the letter X and don't forget to have fun with music. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. We had so much fun learning about the letter X and coloring our xylophone. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.